All right, Cord, thank you. Wait, Steve, he already said he tasted some of the beers. Yeah. I don't know if he's off the clock yet. I don't know if he's able to do that. It is going to be toasty, obviously, here, but out at Seaside, it could be a place to have a couple beers as well this weekend.
Well, yeah, Travis, if you want to escape the heat in the valley, I think the coast is the place to be. As a matter of fact, I know it is. It's been like that all week down at the coast. Morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Yesterday was fairly cloudy the entire day, where the day before we had some sunshine. You saw the Lincoln City camera earlier, sunshine down there, but just north of there, Cannon Beach, Seaside up to Astoria, still looking like this. Gray clouds, fog, low clouds, 65 degrees. You will get some afternoon clearing even up in Seaside, but it's still an hour or two out. So Mount Hood Meadows, look at this, 84 degrees. That gives you a level of indication at 5,300 feet of elevation up in the atmosphere. That much heat waiting to descend down onto the metro area, and it's happening right now across the metro area. You see that filtered sunshine, 83 degrees right now, humidity 49%, the dew point's at 62, so it's a little bit of a muggy air mass out there this afternoon. And notice those temperatures on the planner there heading up to the mid to upper 90s coming up. Current temperatures there, all 80s in the valley now, 87 in the Central Valley at Salem, 85 Eugene. There's those temperatures out along the coast. Very comfortable out there. I've got friends staying the week out there specifically because of the heat wave. 94 degrees in the Dalles. They had triple digits there yesterday. They're headed for triple digits again, as is Bend, Pendleton, LeGrand, Baker City. All of the spots on the east side of the state are going to be at or above 100 today. We're running about 1, 2, 3 degrees above where we were this time yesterday in the Willamette Valley. A little cooler in the gorge there today. All right, just a few. You can see these outside when you walk outside in the valley. Just these puffy high clouds. They're just moving from southwest to northeast. A little bit of an onshore flow at the upper levels of the atmosphere. And that's also bringing some of that smoke up out of California as well. Day planner, boy, it's all 90s from here on out, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I think we top out right around 5 to 6 p.m. in the upper 90s today, and it's going to be a slow cool down tonight. So lots of watches and warnings out here. Excessive heat warning, we've been talking about it all week long in the valley and central and northeast Oregon as well, all the way through Sunday now. It's been extended until Sunday at 11 p.m. That's an upgrade from earlier this morning when it was just through Saturday evening. Now, we do have that air quality warning in effect for smog in the valley as well. All right, so we're halfway through the heat wave now, a little more than that now. Expect another triple-digit day on Friday. We're going to bump the temperatures up a degree or two over today and likely keep it around triple digits into Saturday as well, but the heat will break on Monday. All right, I'm also tracking the number of days 90 or above consecutive. We're at 4 right now. Today would be number 5. The record is 10, set back in the big heat wave of July through early August of 2009. I don't think we're going to make it there, but we will have a solid 8 days from last Sunday to this Sunday, which would put us solidly in second place. Okay, these are departures from normal, compared to normal, coming up Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Between 15 and 20 degrees above normal continuing in the Portland, Vancouver, and down to Salem as well. One warm day out there at Astoria on Saturday, but look at the Dalles, 25 to 30 degrees above normal for where they should be this time of the year. High-level smoke forecast. A lot of this is in the upper levels of the atmosphere from the big fire down in California, Central California near San Francisco, continues to push up over the area through the weekend before that leaves as well. Air quality is looking pretty good right now, except for down the Rogue Valley, Medford now in the moderate category. FUTURECAST shows lots of sunshine in the valley, low clouds along the coast. Here we'll stop it tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. You see those clouds push back in up to about Kelso Longview, but then in the afternoon, more sunshine on the way and hot temperatures. Take a look at that 7-day forecast, Travis. We're going for 98 today. We'll call it hot and hazy. Then more heat arrives, or I should say we get rid of the smog and the haze tomorrow and Saturday. I think that bumps us up to just over 100 both of those days. Wow. Sunday, we cool it down to 92. Look at those overnight lows, though. Next 3 nights going to be right around 70. And then Sunday night, we get a big marine push. And it's all done as of Monday.
So really, keep the window cracked all night long.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's not going to be much wind, and the low temperatures of 70 are going to happen about 5 a.m. for just a brief period of time.
Got you. So
yeah,
it's kind of tough.
It is.
Yeah, got to stay safe out there. Hydrate. You know, especially if you're going to the Brewers Festival.
Yep.
You have a couple of those beers out there, but
yeah,
pair it up with some water.
And check on the elderly and pets as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right, thank you, Steve.
You bet.
We'll be right back.